Well, hello there and welcome back. So, in this video, I'm going to be showcasing this new car kit slash docking station that I got for the Globalstar GSP-1600 satphone. So, this video, it's not going to go too in-depth into the phone itself, because I've already done that in a previous video, and I think you guys get the idea. This is just mainly going to be showcasing just the docking station itself. So, let me zoom in right there. Yep, you see it's online. It has service. And let's see. Let's move this a little bit. If you look, yep, deep in there, you see that's the speaker with the kit. So this kit does actually have a speaker phone. And then right down here is the microphone. So, yep, it's got full two-way audio as well. And, yep, the phone connects to power, or sorry, not the phone, but the docking station car kit connects to power via a cigarette lighter plug, which I have an adapter for right there, which is going to a charged uninterruptible power supply right there. So, let's go back over here now. So as you can see, like the handset itself just docks into the car kit. This is like the whole cradle right here. And yeah, you can literally just pull it right back out. Yep. So essentially, yeah, this is just, yeah, it's a docking station for the phone itself. It's just an accessory, an add-on. So the kit can not only act as a speakerphone, but also as an external antenna as well. And that antenna is designed to also mount on top of vehicles because, as you can see, it has the magnet on top. And as you can see too, it's more like omnidirectional. So it's like not quite as picky like as the built-in antenna just on the phone itself. You kind of have to have it pointed almost exactly the right direction for it to work. Yeah. I'm just gonna pop this thing back in here now. Yeah, so I guess the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate an incoming call with a satphone in the docking station. So yeah, let me just zoom this in a little bit here, likewise. So I'm going to dial its number now. Although with the satphone service provider that I'm using with it, which is Globalstar, because you can only activate Globalstar phones with Globalstar themselves. Yeah, for some reason they just don't show the calling party's caller ID, nor does it transmit your caller ID if you're calling out from it. So, let's just give this thing a ring. There we go. Yeah, it just always says numbers restricted for some reason. I don't know why. That's just the way the company does it. Let's answer it. Hello?
Hello?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Feedback. There we go, muted it. So, I guess now that the other phone's muted, I'm gonna put my cell phone on speaker, so just so you can hear the satphone's audio being transmitted. Hello?
Hello?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Test.
Test.
Ugh. Yeah, it doesn't like that.
Yeah, doesn't like that.
Alright, so that's that. Hang that up. So now the next test I'm going to do is an outgoing call on the satphone with the docking station connected. So I'm just going to call myself back just because I don't know what other number to call, including international ones either. So I'm also not going to show the phone screen as I do that. It's ringing me. Hello.
Hello. 1, 2, 3. Let me just move further away from it. Check 1, 2, 3. Yep, I think it works. I think you get the point. I'm just gonna hang up now.
Alright, so yep, it does work both ways successfully. So, yeah, I think honestly that's going to conclude it for this video. Like I said, yeah, I'm not going to go too in-depth on the phone itself, just because I did that in the previous video, and I think you get the point. So, anyhow, thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you in the next one.